Hi guys, if you're watching this, you are here with a MintMongoose unboxing. I do have Pupper Dog here with me because she's hoping that it's time for Bark Box, and unfortunately we don't have any more Bark Boxes. I also just realized today I thought I had scheduled the posting of the last Bark Box video onto YouTube, and I had not. So it'll show up at some point this month, but we are officially done with Bark Box because I only did it for 6 months, and honestly she just has way too many gosh darn toys now. But anyways, let's just, not talk about that because I think you're here to watch a MintMongoose unboxing. Now, interesting note about MintMongoose, I attempted to cancel it because I was a little annoyed by the friendship bracelet thing from like 2 months or 3 months ago. And honestly, I just don't wear the jewelry all that often to justify getting new jewelry every month. And it's just really starting to clutter up my jewelry box. And maybe the solution is just to get a bigger jewelry box, but I don't have that much storage space in this house. So anyways, nothing against MintMongoose, just wasn't feeling it anymore. I went to go cancel and it's like, oh, the plan you signed up for at this price locks you in for like 12 months at a time. So I'm not sure whether or not I'm getting more MintMongoose boxes or not. It was a little unclear. It's a very confusing process, to be honest. And they reminded me of like, I don't know if you guys ever did the, you paid $10 a month for like a new pair of shoes, and then when you would go to cancel, you would get like the worst sales pressure like tactics trying to convince you to not stop your subscription. That kind of reminded me of trying to cancel MintMongoose online, because they were like, but did you consider this? What if I throw in this offer? What if we do this deal? What if you actually just transfer your subscription to a friend? It was a very interesting process, and I low-key kind of wish I had done some screen recording of it all, but I did not. Anyways, I do enjoy my monthly moment of zen, as I like to call it, as I read off the card talking about the inspiration for each month's jewelry. However, with that being said, I will miss it if it does actually get canceled, and if it doesn't, I don't know if I'll just have to remember to like go and cancel it again. I think it said I had like 8 months left. I'm very confused about all of this, to be honest. So at some point, if I get fed up enough, I will probably be making some phone calls or sending some emails, getting some clarification, but that has not happened yet. Anyways, we'll go ahead and dive on in. Each month includes a little card with a picture on it that I love most of the time. They're really great for decor. And on the back, they'll tell us about our inspiration, which first glance, okay, this month's theme is top notch. It says, live like the birds. It says, this month's set is inspired by the birds flying all around us, giving us a visualization and real life example. It actually says real live example of living free, but I feel like it's supposed to be real life, but we're not going to think too hard about this. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe she's wrong, who am I to say? Anyways, most sets I create are inspired by a specific moment life. Okay, the grammar's just off. Maybe it's me. Maybe I'm just having an off day. This set is a little different. It is inspired by a realization. About a year ago, I discovered these adorable bird feeders that suction to the outside of a window and have an area where you can put seed and the birds can sit and eat. As soon as I saw them, I knew the kids would love them. Roxy's just nosing around because she thinks there's a Bark Box in here somewhere. Anyways. Well, love was an understatement. Instead, the visiting birds became a part of our daily life. Emma, 6, would name them as they stopped by for a seed or two. Emerson, 4, would try to get as close as he could without scaring them off. And Emmett, 15 months, well, he really didn't notice. A bird has been a common exclamation in our house. I hadn't realized how special those birds being a part of our story was until last week when we took the feeders down because the California heat hadn't been kind to them and they were falling apart. Now that they're gone, I miss them. When you wear this jewelry set, I hope it reminds you to take notice of the stunning creatures flying overhead, to learn from them, and inspires you to live life as freely as they do. Love that. Anyways, let's go ahead and peek in here. There's a cute little wax seal that I like to point out. And then you can choose which metal you receive of the jewelry. I chose Surprise Me because I personally generally do not care. I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you guys this month's theme because this is actually something I might like hardcore wear all of the time. If only I could get this envelope open. Anyways, I'm on the basic plan. There's a couple different tiers, but basically you get either like a bracelet or 2 necklaces or some combination. Oh, and a set of earrings. And you can change that I think you can change like the earrings to maybe a ring or something. Also, 9 times out of 10 it comes with Werther's Original. I don't really know why. I'm not mad about it. Anyways, we'll go ahead and see what set I got. I just have to get through a heckin' layer of tissue paper in order to do it. 1 minute. Oh, it looks like I got the silver set this month, and I think, yes, we have 2 necklaces and a set of earrings this month. The last 2 months have been a little bit weird because there was 1 month where it was just a necklace and a bracelet and earrings. And there's another month where like the bracelet was like a friendship bracelet and I was very angry. Roxy's just here causing trouble. Anyways, this is what the first necklace looks like. And if you guys can see that, take a minute to focus. That is a cute little pendant, teal kind of enamel. I feel like there's another word. Yep, that's Roxy ruining everything, as she does. She's very good at that. Anyways, teal pendant with a bird. And all of their necklaces do have adjustable chains. So it's only adjustable up to a point though, and it's really going to be different for each set, I've noticed. The pets don't often get access to this room. This is a supervised room because of, you know, this is where I keep all of my Poshmark shop clothes. Oh, also disregard. I got absolutely swarmed by fire ants, if you're noticing all of the fire ant bites that were on my arm just then. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so this is how the first necklace looks. It is on the shortest length. We'll go ahead. It looks like I just picked up the earrings next, and we'll do those next. Sophie will probably be in here any minute because she also gets very excited whenever I open the door to this room, because like I said, this is a supervised room activity. Hi. Yeah, you want attention, don't you? Your dad left you. Dad left you. He doesn't even love you. Ooh, the earrings are a set of feathers, which I absolutely love. Let's see if this will show up. Look how cute that is. Might need to turn off the light. Let's try turning off the light and seeing if that focuses better. So this is what the feather earrings look like. I can't get them any closer to the camera. It just absolutely refuses to focus. But they're cute. I'll put them on here just to go with my outfit. I am doing a couple filmings today and very purposely did MintMongoose and not wear any other jewelry. So that way I can just kind of be like styled by MintMongoose as long as I like the jewelry, I guess. Which this month I ended up really enjoying it. Cute. Okay, and now we'll go ahead and open up the last package. Oh, the last necklace is also another feather that matches the earrings that will probably also not focus in my camera. Oh, goodness gracious, dog. Anyways, we'll also put this one on the shortest chain length and see how that matches. Okay, so this is how this jewelry set looks together, which honestly, I kind of like this look, but I also feel like this is just too long, even though it's on the shortest length, and I feel like they should be closer together. But there's a very real chance I would just wear the feather anyways. So I don't know. It's cute. I like the animal aspect of it. Overall, I'm not mad about this month. Overall, I'm not even really all that mad about canceling the subscription and then not being able to potentially. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'm just a flip-flopper. But anyways, if you've made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider doing all the things that make YouTube more likely to suggest my video to other people, such as liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, and turning on that notification bell. You know what? Stay cool. It is really flipping hot here today.